Discover the Sparkle templates for Webflow. Elevate your business with the Sparkle by Ego Creative Innovations, presenting PraxisMX, designed especially for digital web and graphic agencies. PraxisMX boasts an advanced UI kit, ensuring stellar adaptability. Not only is it responsive and SEO optimized, but it also comes with diverse pages like About, Portfolio, Contact, and Blog. And don't miss the 2 unique homepage variants that set you apart. Need customization? Delve into the Sparkle UI kit, packed with style guides, varied components, and mobile-first design. Our templates ensure seamless adaptability across devices. Crave variety? Explore our vast template collection, the Sparkle templates, crafted for precision, ready for success.